Welcome back to our Wix Automation series. Do you collect data on your Wix site through forms, bookings, or purchases, and wish you could automatically send that information to a Google Sheet for better tracking, analysis, or team collaboration? Well, you can. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set up a Wix automation to send data directly to Google Sheets. This powerful integration will streamline your data management and save you tons of manual work. So let's get started. First, you have to prepare a spreadsheet. Its columns should have titles to organize the data sent from the automation, for example, first name, last name, etc. This is actually just a very basic example of that, but I'm sure you get the idea. Once you have that ready, you can go back to your Wix dashboard. And from here, go to Automations on the left. Now, click on Create Automation, and then select Start from Scratch. Now, the first thing you should do is to rename your automation. So rename it to something relevant. I'd like to rename it as Google Spreadsheet Automation. All right, now we're going to need to select a trigger. This is the action that tells Wix when to run the automation. In my case, I will choose, let's say for example, when someone submits a form. This one is very essential because you're going to have to choose which contact form you'd like to connect with. Once you're done, review everything, and when everything's okay, click on Apply. Now, click on this blinking plus button, and then select Action. From your actions, on the left, look for Update Google Sheets. Select Connect Google Account. A new window will open. Select the Google account your spreadsheet is located in, and then connect it to Wix. By the way, when you agree, you are providing permissions for Wix to access your spreadsheet data. Once you're done connecting your account, click on Select Spreadsheet, and then select the spreadsheet you'd like to connect. Now, click on Match Data to Sheet to match the fields on your form to the fields on your spreadsheet. Once you're done matching everything, click on Save, and then click on Apply. Make sure to review your flow, and if everything's all good, click on Activate to start running your automation. And it's as easy as that. Your automation is now active. Now, every time your trigger event occurs, like a form submission, Wix will automatically send that information straight to your designated Google Sheet, keeping your data organized and accessible. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.